it doesn't work. None of this works without like frontline worker engagement. So, one of the big surprises about our platform. So essentially, for those that don't know, our platform is middleware, sits between language models and enterprise use cases. And we thought it was a big technology platform. We thought, oh, God, it's going to sell because we can do automated RAG pipelines, automated multi-agent flows, because we've got these guardrails on, because we've got this AI and AI evaluation. It was a big technology sell, right? The biggest benefit of our platform so far has been that, yeah, we can create these multi-agent flows nice and quickly, but then we put them in front of the end user using a bit of a sort of scruffy front end that we use for testing. But the users, like on day 2, are using it and they're giving thumbs up, thumbs down, and then adding comments and saying, actually, this output's not good enough, right? It's not good enough, it's not clear enough, it's chosen the wrong chunk, it's doing the wrong document. That surfaces in our platform, and the guys building the agent amend it the next day or the same day or whatever it is. And the point about that is really, really important. Yes, that feedback is helping the agents to improve, and the AI gets better, and it's training the AI, and we're using the frontline staff to train the AI. But it's also training the frontline staff, because certainly after a couple of weeks of iterations, 90% of the problems are that the underlying data the AI is trained on is contradictory, right? Or has 2 similar points that it's difficult to separate apart. And they start to understand, actually, our processes aren't great, our documentation's not great, we're going to have to start changing that, we're going to have to understand that. Actually, the way I've asked the question isn't great. If I asked a human that, I don't think a human would have got the right answer. That's another big response will come back. So the worker is improving the AI is improving the way the worker interacts with the AI. And that cycle is an adoption cycle that actually works. And everything else is nonsense, because basically everything else is, we're going to build it in IT and we're going to give it to the workers 6 months later, and they're going to say, it's not that great, right? But none of that feedback loop is closed. So we're all just going to whinge, and it's going to get parked, no one's really going to use it. And adoption is the key to delivering benefit.